Is it here? Is it here?
I have a problem. A problem that's been with me for years. Undesired wetness.
And it's already redacted already. I think I have a redaction fairy.
It's an issue that requires regular maintenance and personal expense to handle. It makes it damp places that shouldn't be damp. Then things curl up and get wrinkly, and other things dry out and get crusty. But here I am lugging a giant, massive solution into the house for the undesired wetness. This is my look of disapproval. It stinks. It's the undesired wetness. I don't mean us. I mean the basement. Exactly. And that's what brings us to this week's tech thing. What, already so soon in the video? The dehumidifier is not working, and I've been dealing with the consequences of that for too long. My posters have been curling on the walls. There's a moldy, stinky smell in the basement, and some of my seasonings have gone solid. It's like they absorb the moisture out of the air and then dry up. And look, this is the garlic powder I like to use when I make chicken wings. Epic. So you see, now it's time to fix this dehumidifier problem because it stopped working. I don't want to help you with this. Yet other me helped me take it apart before. That was before you did videos. Back before I had a YouTube channel, there was gooey gunk in it. And we scraped it out. It's called biofilm. No, that thing was epic nasty inside. I don't want it. Well, something has to be done so I don't have to deal with the wetness anymore. This thing did work for me for years, but let me show you a couple things because it kept like not working and then I had to do tricks and hacks to it. Hacks. Here's the first hack I did. Piece of wood underneath to make the water want to go that direction because it has two drain holes. And I think the reason why it has two drain holes was because part of the recall, it wasn't draining enough and it would burn up. So the other thing that they did, I figured out on my own, was they'd have it turn off randomly so it won't burn up on this updated model, that is. So I had to put this timer on it to turn it off and on occasionally throughout the day to, work around that. And they wanted to charge like 60 bucks for a hose attachment adapter because just plugging in a hose into the back of this won't work because it needed air release. So here's the hack. There's like $2 at Lowe's. It's a garden hose Y adapter and you have both of them in the on position and you stick it out like that and the bottom one is your hose spilling your wet air juices out and then the top one is what lets the air in. But I don't want to take this thing apart again because the other time it was just reduced performance and this time it's no performance. It runs and goes and sucks none of the undesired wetness out of the air at all. Old man noises. This is so boring.
Give me that.
Wait, where did that come from?
What, weren't you paying attention earlier in the video with the massive box?
I thought it was a new diaper machine. What?
Toss. All right.
Instructions. Toss.
Toss. Old man noises. I'm plugging the hose straight in because according to the answers that have been questioned on Amazon, that's all you have to do.
Don't you mean questions that have been answered?
What did I say? Well, I have to show my crack to the camera and have to put a nope sign on it in editing. Boop, 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 boop.
And this took me a while to buy because I had to save up my broke people money to get it. And it looks really good according to the reviews and all the stuff on the Amazon. Link in the descriptor whatsits if you want to check it out. And now it's time for Enjoy This Random Thing. My dad sent me this random thing. Check it out, other me. It's a picture of Kermit the Frog staring out the window at the rain. And it says, "The longer I live, the more convinced I am that this planet is used by other planets as a lunatic asylum." This one is fitting because the rain comes in through the cement on the walls and filling up my whole house with undesired wetness, making me damp. Damp. Yeah, damp. And I kind of feel that way more and more over the years because humans are just so crazy. And I replied to my dad and said, "That is a good sci-fi random thing right there." Because it's talking about other planets. Are you saying that you're from another planet or something? I do miss Gallifrey. It was dry there. And now it's dad joke time. Okay. I asked ChatGPT to give me this dad joke, and I haven't mesmerized it yet, so let's see. All right, other me. What kind of rocks are underwater? I don't know. Dry ones. Okay. I don't get it. Yeah, ChatGPT gave me this joke for the video when I asked it to make a dad joke about undesired wetness. Dry rock. Jinx! Ah! Yeah, I get it now. And that's gonna be me now. Worry-free with no wetness. And well, with the timer, I'm gonna keep that turning it on and off periodically so that it doesn't burn up. And with its almost near always sucking the undesired wetness out of the air. The things you say sometimes. Can we do something else? Not YouTubery right now? No, we're not done yet. We still have to do the awkward end screen. Don't act like you don't know. You've been in my videos before. You know, where we like ask people to click like and subscribe and watch more of our videos. Oh, right. So if you like this video, please click like and subscribe and change the bell. And on the end screen, I'll have other funny videos for you guys to check out. Imagine if gooey, wet algae slime biomatter accumulated in your pants and you'd scrub it off every night. Ugh! Why do you have to put that image in my head? Otherwise known as butt cheese. Butt cheese.